What is up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here doing another quick unboxing for you. We have here a pair of Apple Airpods. I honestly stayed as far away from these as I possibly could, but now I'm holding one in my hands and I'm going to make a video of me unboxing it and testing it out for the first time. Before I say anything else, let's just open it. The bright side of this is that I love opening Apple boxes. For me, Apple boxes are always satisfying to open. So we got some instructions and whatnot, which I'm actually gonna need because I honestly don't know anything about the AirPods. But here is our little case. We also got a lightning cable to charge the case. But opening up this case, here is our little dental floss slash lighter case. Popping it open. Inside here, we have the actual AirPods. Just as a random side note, this case actually has some like texture on it on the picture of the AirPods. For some reason, I don't know, it's really satisfying just to rub my finger on it. That's what she said. That's what she said! I don't know anything about how to set up the AirPods or, you know, how to use them or anything. There. So it's giving me a little prompt to connect the AirPods. So here are our AirPods. I honestly have never been a fan of Apple Earpods. They look really different. I don't like them. And apparently the AirPods are pretty much the same thing as the EarPods, so I kind of doubt that these are gonna fit in my ears. So now, I don't know, let's just try them out, I guess. I'm gonna fit these in my ears. They really just don't fit in my ears. I'm gonna try to play some music. Let's play some Metallica, I guess. Okay. So the quality actually is pretty good. I'm just scared like these are gonna fall out of my ears or something. I really don't like the fit of these, if I'm being honest. And that's just Apple Earpods in general. So I think one of the features that if you take out one, it'll stop the music. Yeah, and I think if you put it back in, it'll start it again. So that actually works, which is nice. Hey, how does Siri work? Double tap for Siri. Oh, there it goes. I don't know. What's the weather like today, Siri? 69 degrees and 84 degrees. Alright, I don't know. So, I mean, that was just a quick test of the AirPods. The good thing is that they sound good. They honestly don't fit good in my ears, which is something that I've already known for a while. I don't know. The case is cute. It does look like a little dental floss case slash a lighter. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep these. I might let my mother have them or something. Anyway, thank you for watching this quick little unboxing and first look at the Apple AirPods, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!